Hi guys, let's make this high protein easy breakfast burrito. For the ingredients, we have some black beans, 2 eggs, diced bell peppers, spinach, black pepper, salt, onions, olive oil, avocado, and wholemeal tortilla wraps. Let's get started. So in a pan, we're going to heat up the oil over medium heat, and then we're going to saute our onions and bell peppers until they are very soft. So I just want to add, if you're using canned black beans, be sure to wash them out first, okay, to reduce the sodium in it. So I bought mine and I cooked it by myself. So after that, we're going to add our spinach, and then we're also going to add the black beans, and then we're going to cook this until the spinach wilts. When you're done with that, you're just going to put it in a plate and set it aside. Now in a bowl, you're going to mix the eggs with some salt and pepper. So here I mixed my black pepper with some turmeric. So that's what I added: black pepper, turmeric, and a little salt. You're going to mix it, and then you're going to pour it into the pan and scramble. So when you're done scrambling it, just place it in another bowl and set that aside. Now you're going to warm up your tortilla wraps that you have. Just warm it up a little bit so it's a bit soft, and then you're going to bring it out, and then you're gonna start putting in your proteins and your veggies and your avocados. So I went in with the veggies first, and then I placed the eggs on it, the scrambled eggs, and then I also added the avocado. So if you like, you can go in with more seasoning at this point, but I don't like that much, so I didn't. Now we're just going to wrap that up. You're going to fold it and roll tightly. I'm still finding it a bit hard to roll my tortillas, I don't know why. So if you know how to do this, please let me know in the comment section. So fold it and roll tightly, and then you're going to toast it lightly on each side, okay? Place it back in the pan and then toast it on each side. And there you have it, guys. Balanced, high protein and blood sugar friendly. It's a perfect breakfast for weight management, and if you also have diabetes, this is a very good breakfast for you. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. I'm sure a lot of people would like to see this from you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.